Today we will start question number 12 of exercise 8.1. Here the question number 12 is ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equals to BC. Show that we have to prove these 4 points. Here given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD and AD equals to BC. We have to prove the first point is angle A equals to angle B. Second point is angle C equals to angle D. Third point is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And fourth point is diagonal AC equals to diagonal BD. Construction. Here we do a construction and draw a line parallel to AD, that is CE. Draw a line CE parallel to AD, that is AD parallel CE. Now in proof, because AD parallel to CE, therefore because AD parallel to CE, therefore ADCE is a parallelogram. Therefore CE equals to AD, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now AD equals to BC, given AD equals to BC given, let this is equation first, this is equation second. From equation first and second, CE equals to AD equals to BC, therefore CE equals to BC. Now CE equals to BC, therefore let this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now angle A plus angle 2 equals to 180 by co-interior angles, because AD is parallel to CE. And angle B plus angle 1 equals to 180 by linear pair. Now angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Implies angle A equals to angle B. Hence proved. Now in second part we have to prove angle C equals to angle D. Now angle A plus angle D equals to angle B plus angle C, because opposite sides of trapezium are equal, therefore these are co-interior angles, equals to 180 degree by co-interior angles. Now A plus D equals to angle A plus angle C, because angle A equals to angle B proved. Now angle A and A cancel out, therefore angle D equals to angle C, hence proved. Now in third part, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Now AB equals to AB is common. Angle DAB equals to angle CBA. DAB equals to CBA. Angle A equals to angle B proved. AD equals to BC given, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by side angle side. Hence proved. Now in fourth part we have to prove diagonal AC equals to diagonal BD, because triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD, therefore AC equals to BD by CPCD, hence proved.